Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today's Dollar Tree DIY is the Cinco de Mayo party ideas. This video is sponsored by calaverizados.com, and they sent me these really cute shot glasses here by the Mexican folk artist Patricia Fornos. So these are just 2 of a set of 4 that they sent me. They're these really cute shot glasses. They have these sayings on the back. One says, "Si del cielo te caen limones, vida, tequila y sal," which means if the sky is dropping lemons, ask for salt and tequila. And this one is, "Y que bonita es la vida," how beautiful life is. So let's get into the DIY. So I saw this gift bag here at Dollar Tree, and it just reminded me of like a poncho. So I decided to cut the image out to fit in this 8x10 picture frame here, and we're going to use it as a tray, as a serving tray. So I also added these little pom-poms on the side because, like I told you, it kind of reminded me of like a poncho. So this is just a really cute way to serve your shots at a Cinco de Mayo fiesta party. Look how cute this is. So you can either display and just have your shots ready for people to grab, or you can serve them right on the tray. So the next part of the DIY is just this chips bowl and dip setup here. You can just set up a few of these and just have like a chips and dip station. So you would just need a plate. I picked out this really cute plate here. I thought it was just perfect for a fiesta type Cinco de Mayo party. And then I added a glass bowl and this beautiful glass margarita glass from the Dollar Tree. Is so cute. I added the word fiesta with my Cricut machine, and then you just add your chips and your salsa right into the margarita glass, and here you have this really cool salsa and chip station here. And it only costs you a couple of dollars, $3 to be exact. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed these couple of party ideas. If you're interested in the shot mugs, I'm going to leave the description where you can order them in the description bar. And they're also offering you guys 15% off your order. So again, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys really soon in the next DIY.